Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be cutting my son's hair, my little mom. So in today's video I'm going to be reshaping his haircut. Usually I always do it by myself, so in today's video I'm going to show other moms how you can do it by yourself. You don't have to be perfect, but you just have to trust yourself that you can do it and go ahead and do it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and let's get right to the video. This is his hair after 9 months of grooming it. In the crown section he has a 4B and at the back the boy has 4C hair. Then after I cut, he was feeling it, and now I thought it was time for me to clean it up, but oh boy, I ended up messing it up. So first of all, I'm going to be using this mixture. This is a deep conditioning mixture and some glycerin so that I can spray, so that I can see what it is that I'm working with. And to make it easy for you, if you are cutting the hair by yourself and you don't have any experience, it is always better to wash his hair before you cut and condition his hair. So just because I'm lazy, this is what I'm going to do. Wow. Okay, little man, because I know how painful natural hair can be, I'm not going to comb his hair.
Mommy.
Hello, little man.
What is mommy?
What is what?
What is mommy? Go in.
Okay, so guys, in this video I just want to give him a deep cut just right here.
Hi, mommy.
So first of all, I'm going to, I don't know, adjust the lever.
What is mommy?
Are you ready, Ozzy? 3, 2, 1,
go.
Hey guys, so as you can see, this boy was busy jumping up and down because he's so excited for the camera. I couldn't get the slit that I wanted. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and shave all of his hair out. It's so unfortunate.
Go. Go. Easy.
Okay, Anna, there you go. Good job, little man. Guys, usually he doesn't do this. I don't know what's wrong with this boy today.
Guys, I messed him up. Okay. Let's just take everything off. 3, 2, 1, ready? Hello. Okay, my little man. Okay.
Do.
My mother coming.
I don't know. Mama is digging.
Oh, what's this?
So right now I'm just going to go and shampoo his hair and just bath him. Then when I'm done, I'm going to come back so that we can revolve a mist towel to him. So and also so that you can see how the boy is going to react. So